The final part of our TZ series is here, the Ayoyo soup. The TZ's green. All right, so let's get into it. In my pan, I have just a little bit of water, and this is because my jute leaves is frozen. I forgot to bring it out earlier to thaw it. So in the water, I am going to add some saltpeter or KANWE and locust beans that we call dawa dawa in our local language, and also adding a very big chunk of momoni or our stinky fish. I am going to allow it to come to a boil, and then right after that I'm going to add a little bit of blended what's it called, blended okra, and this is just to add a little sliminess to our ayoyo. I'm now going to stir it and then allow it to come to a boil. Our okra is already boiled or cooked, so I'm just going to allow it to come to a boil, and then I go in with my jute leaves, which is the ayoyo itself. Now in this video, I crushed it with this vegetable chopper. If you want one of these vegetable chopper, I will leave the link in the description box below. You can always check it out. And then I'll go in with my egg beater or whisk and then beat it to invite more sliminess into our yoyo, okay? After beating for a very long time and gaining that kind of sliminess that I wanted, I went in with my salt and added half vegetable stock. I went ahead and then beat it again to make sure we don't lose the sliminess, okay? And then for about I think I beat it for about 2 minutes, and then I added my last ingredient, which is my shrimp powder, and then stirred and stirred and stirred with my egg beater, okay? And then yeah, I allowed it to come to a boil, and then yeah, our ayoyo soup is ready. Not soup, I mean our TZ ayoyo is ready, okay? And guys, that is all. Tell me if you are going to try this recipe from the TZ to the TZ stew and then the ayoyo. Let me know in the comment section, and you know I will always be glad and honored to answer any questions or your comment. And to my lovely friend, yes, you who have refused to subscribe to this channel, if you have watched till this far and you haven't subscribed, please, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share the recipes, okay? Let me know how you feel in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer your questions or your thoughts, whatever it is. Please share in your comment share in the comment section, okay? And guys, always remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. See you in my next video. Bye.